Hello everyone, I'm Rikawe and you're welcome back to the channel. If you're in the fashion business or planning to start a clothing brand, like the ready to wear, see one of the most important things you need is a solid size chart. A well-made size chart ensures your customers get the perfect fit, reduces returns and makes your brand look more professional. But I know it can be confusing. That is why in today's video, I'll be breaking down how to create your own body size chart in 3 simple steps. Understanding the UK versus the US size chart, getting your figures right and using templates, creating your own size chart using what you have. Make sure to watch to the end because I have a freebie that will make this process even easier for you. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's talk about country size differences, especially the UK and the US sizing systems. So you need to know that every country have their own different size charts. One key thing to note is that the US size are always they are always smaller in size than the UK sizes by 4. That is, US sizes are always smaller than the UK sizes by 4. So if a dress is a UK size 10, then the US equivalent will be what? Size 6. If a dress is a UK size 8, the equivalent will be what? UK size 12. So always have this at the back of your mind that a US size is 4 inches smaller than a UK, while a UK size is 4 inches bigger than the US. Okay? Now, another important thing to remember is that both the UK and the US sizes are always in even numbers. So you will see 2, you will see 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. Knowing these differences is actually important. This way you won't accidentally produce the wrong sizes for your customers. Now that we understand size differences, now let us talk about how to create your own size charts. Step 1, start with your MST, that is your most standard measurement. Your MST is actually the base measurement you will use for sizing up and down. It could be from an industry standard chart or based on your target market's body shape. It could also be your own measurement. For the case of this video, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your own body measurement to actually create your own size chart. For example, I'm a UK size 4, that is US size 0. I'm a very slim person. My bust is 34. Most times it ranges between 33.5 to 34. My waist is 27, which is usually between 26.5 to 27. It actually depends on me, on the month, if I lost weight or I added weight. My hip is 36, which also fluctuates between 35.5 to 36 at times. So using this template, I can use this to create your own size chart. I also want you to measure yourself, your waist, your bust, and your hip, okay? And you know that I said earlier that the difference between a size to the next is usually 2. That is, size 4 is 2 inches lesser than size 6. Size 6 is 2 inches bigger than size 4. Size 8 is 2 inches bigger than size 6 and vice versa, and going up like that. The only exception is for plus size, because plus sizes, you just need to make allowance for their sizes. So for plus size, it starts from size 18. So the difference in the sizes between size 16 to 18 will be between 2.5 to 3 inches. For size 20, the difference for size 20 between 18 will be 2.5 also to 3 inches, and so on and so forth. That means using mine as a template, since my bust is 34, my waist is 27, and my hip is 36, and I said I'm a UK size 4. Then to create my sizes, remember I said the difference between the sizes is usually 2, while for plus sizes is usually between 2.5 3 inches. Then my size 6 waist, that is the waist for my size 6 will be 36. That is my bust measurement will be 36. That is, I added 2 inches to my bust measurement, which is 34 for my size 4. Are you getting it? Now my waist measurement for my sizes will be 29. That is 2 plus 27, which is the waist measurement for my size 4. My hip measurement will also be 38, which will be 2 inches plus 36, which is the waist hip measurement for my size 4. I hope you are getting it. Now let's go ahead to create for size 8. I want you to follow along, okay? You can always replay this part for you to understand perfectly. So for size 8, the bust will be what? The bust will be 38. Yes, you got it right. That is, we added 2 inches to the bust measurement for size 6, which is 36, to give us 38, right? Then the waist will also be what? Will be 31. Yes, you got a round of applause for yourself. You got it quite right. We added 2 inches to 39 inches, which is the waist measurement. I mean the waist measurement for size 6. Now let me know the answer for the hip, or for the hip measurement for size 8, using this template in the comment section. This is just to ensure that you are following. Now, once you are done with this, you can now use this to compare, with other size charts, and then you will see that all size charts actually fall in the same range. Although the figures will not be the same, my own figures will be different from your figure, but the difference will not be more than 0.5 to 1 inches or 2 inches at most, okay? But it will be in the same range. And this now brings me to the next point: creating your size chart in ranges. You would have noticed some brands that their sizes are in ranges. So like my size, I said that sometimes my sizes switches. My boss could be 33.5 this month and it could be 34 next month, depending. So you can always create a chart that looks like this. Now, so you can create, so instead of just having my boss size to be 34, I could make it 33.5 to 34. This is just to accommodate the variations. Then, but the difference between these ranges should always be 1 inches. But once you get to the plus size corner, you can always make the ranges to be 1.5 inches. I hope you get this part. Please, you can always replay so that you can understand. Step 2, use templates from other brands as a guide. A great trick is to check size charts from established brands, compare their numbers, then create a unique chart that suits your brand. Okay? And again, your chart should also include measurements like your bust, your waist, your hip. These three are the most important ones. And at times, you can also include your dress length, your shoulder width. But the dress length and shoulder width are something that you can always, play around that. Then also understand that your size chart should not be static. It should not be stagnant. You can always tweak it as you go up, as you grow in your business. And so once you have all these numbers, you can create a table that looks like this. So a quick recap: today we have covered how UK and US size charts differ. I said that the US size chart is usually 4 sizes smaller. Then we also covered how to measure and create your size chart, and how to also create your size chart in ranges by adding 0.5 inches just for flexibility. Like I said, you can make it in ranges. Do you understand? Then how sizing varies by niche. Your niche determines how your size chart will be. If you are making free dresses, that means your size chart should accommodate that. So instead of, say for instance, my size 4, the bust for my size 4 is a 34 inches. I could just make it 36 inches. So I mean that will accommodate for both size 4 and size 6. And if I want to make it in ranges, that means it could be 33.5 inches to what? 36.5 inches. Are you getting it now? Good. Now I know that creating a size chart from scratch can feel overwhelming, especially if you are new to it. So I've made it super easy for you. I've put together a free, user-friendly size chart template that you can download and start using right away. It includes a prefilled UK and US size conversions, editable spaces for bust, waist, hips and dress lengths, and thirdly, a note section for adjustments and fabric stretch considerations. This will save you hours of work and help you get the perfect fit for your designs. You can grab it now, just click the link in the description below. But I also know that some of you might not want to go through the hassle of customizing your own size charts. And that is why I've created for you a fully done for you ready-made size chart with accurate measurements for different fits, fitted, oversized, and more. This means you can skip the guesswork and use a professionally structured chart immediately. And what is inside this done for you ready-made size chart package? It contains accurate pre-filled measurement for multiple clothing styles, UK and US conversions for easy use, instant download so you can start right away. So if you want to save even more time, check out the premium ready-made size charts. You'll find the link in the description below. So whether you grab the free template or go for the premium done for you ready-made size charts, you now have everything you need to create the perfect fit for your designs. So let me know in the comment section which one you'll be using. And if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Bye.